Do you need to have a brisket smoked and ready to eat for a barbecue lunch tomorrow, but you don't want to stay up all night cooking it? Well, I've got you covered. You'll need a brisket. I grabbed this half 5 pounders one from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats, weighing in at 2.87 kilograms or 6.3 pounds. This will be more than enough to feed a family of 4 with leftovers. Once you have the brisket out of the packaging, we can start trimming off the excess fat. More so this harder fat and any silver skin you can see. I always say trimming a brisket is always a personal choice on how it's done. If you want to follow my way, that is to keep trimming until you are happy with the overall look. How you season your meat is also personal preference, but I like a bit of pepper, bit of salt and a little bit of oomph. Into a rub shaker, add 3 tablespoons of coarsely cracked black pepper, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and 2 teaspoons of celery salt. Celery salt acts as a natural smoke ring enhancer on smoked meats. It works because celery naturally contains high levels of nitrates, which convert to nitrites and create a pinkish red cured looking ring similar to the chemical reaction produced by wood smoke. Once you have fully seasoned the entire brisket, it is ready for the fridge. As we are smoking this later tonight, I'm just placing mine in the fridge uncovered. If I waited for this brisket to get to room temp before we smoked it, it would take all day and it'd be unsafe to eat. It's midnight here, it's time to get that brisket on so it's ready for tomorrow's lunch. No matter what barbecue you are using, it needs to be covered with a hood, a lid or a door, and you need to be able to set it to 107 degrees Celsius. I'm using the Z Grill's pellet smoker. Just fill the hopper with fuel, set the temp and wait. Once the smoker is ready, I will spritz the whole brisket with water, as anything moist will attract more smoke to it. As always, spritz at the start of your cooks. Now leave that alone until 7 AM. Now this is where I should insert a disclaimer. Also, I'm using the Z Grill's app, and this is set so it tells me when the temp drops too low, or if it does spike too high. It's 7 AM, so it's time to check our brisket. After smoking away for 7 hours at a low temp, the brisket should be close to the temp range, around 71 degrees Celsius to 77 degrees Celsius. This is when collagen starts breaking down into gelatin, but it is still a long way to go and wrapping will help that process. You can use various ways of wrapping, some like foil, some don't wrap, some love to use foil and boat, and some swear by pink butcher's paper as it allows the steam to leave the wrap, but the moisture stays in. No matter what way you do it, if wrapping it up, make it nice and snug. The brisket can go back into the smoker now, then turn the temp up to 135 degrees Celsius, as the wrap will protect the meat. We are aiming for a temp of 95 degrees Celsius internally, so now would be a great time to insert a temp probe. Wrapping smoked meats midway through the cook is known as the Texas crutch. I'm glad they just didn't name it the Texas butthole. It's time to check the brisket. We still have 3 hours until lunchtime. The internal temp is at 95 degrees Celsius and we just need to double check the brisket is cooked enough. Using a probe, slide it in and out all over. Remembering we have 2 main muscles in here and the structures are different. If they are all loose as a goose, get the brisket out of there. If anything is a little tight, wrap it back up and check it in another 20 minutes. If it is ready, allow the brisket to steam off on the bench for around 15 minutes before wrapping it back up and placing it in an esky wrapped up in old towels. If you're not drinking at least 12 beers while cooking a brisket, well, you're not really doing it right, are you? Imagine if you'd been up all night cooking this brisket. You'd be tired, cranky and not ready to party. It's lunchtime and your brisket is already cooked and ready to slice into. Just remove the brisket from the esky. What we have is a perfectly smoked brisket ready to feed an army. Slicing it through the middle to reveal to everyone what they'll be eating. You cannot get much better than that.